In this video, you're going to learn how to create $500 in passive income with Digistore 24 affiliate marketing. You're also going to learn how to promote affiliate marketing links. We're going to do that in 3 steps. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button because I'm going to be making more videos of how to make money online and you don't want to miss them. Let's talk about how to promote affiliate links and make money online with Digistore. Let's go ahead and do that right now. The first thing, this is what we're going to be covering, by the way, how to promote affiliate links for free on any social media. This is going to be more like an affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. Number 2, what hack to use to increase your affiliate commissions with your email marketing sequence. And number 3, how to make money online promoting affiliate marketing links through social media platforms. And you're going to want to stay to the end of this video because I'm going to give you an entire affiliate marketing funnel for Digistore 24 completely free. And all you have to do is click one button and you could be making money affiliate marketing on Digistore starting today. But if you want that bonus, you have to stay to the end of this video so you'll know how to get it. Step number 1, how to promote affiliate links for free on any social media affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. This is going to be very important for beginners for the following reasons. That's what affiliate marketing funnel overview for the people that make a lot of mistakes. What they do is they go on a affiliate marketing network, they pick a product, and what they do is they make a post on any social media or platform. And then what happens, they connect it straight to the sales or the affiliate sales page, which is a big mistake because social media platforms nowadays don't like any affiliation with affiliate marketing. And this is very important to everybody who is listening to me. If you're an affiliate marketer or if you are in the business of affiliate marketing, make sure you don't spam because it actually affect everybody. How to promote affiliate marketing links free. Now let's go ahead and do that the right way. You can promote anything on social media and you can send it to a bridge page and automatically it's going to send it to an opt-in page. And then after that, it's going to start to create emails. This is the right way of getting it done. And then after that, that happens all automatically, which I'm going to show you here in just a little bit. And then it sends them to the affiliate sales page. Now the conversion rate on this one, minimum of 40% if you do it the right way, if you do it the way I am showing you right now. Let's go ahead and just talk a little bit about Medium. Medium is a blog, in case you don't know what it is. Medium is a huge blog that have a lot of authority and respect by all search engine, and it ranks very, very high. You can create blogs on that platform. Search engine will take it into consideration because it's a high authority type of blog or a website. We're going to connect the dots here in just a little bit. We talk about how to make money online with affiliate marketing funnel flow. This is how it's supposed to be. You pick an affiliate product from, let's say, Digistore 24 or ClickBank. If you're a beginner, these are the 2 networks that I do recommend. I'm sure there are some other ones as well. You go and you write a blog. You go to Pinterest, you create a pin, for example, and the pin is going to point to your blog on Medium. After that, you will have a link inside, link right here, a link in the blog that would send people to the bridge page. We send people to a bridge page because we want to be as far as possible from Medium because of some reasons that I'm going to show you here in just a little bit. Here's something that you need to do. Affiliate marketing entrepreneurs, when you're using medium.com, make sure you do not insert links in your first blog post. Right away, they're going to know that you're there just to post links. And then number 2, some affiliate links markets are prohibited. Obviously, gambling. Just make sure to do your homework. Okay, step number 2, what hack to use to increase your affiliate commissions with your email marketing sequence. And I see a lot of affiliate marketers, they send me comments and sometimes emails regarding that because they are getting in trouble. So I'm gonna tell you how not to do that. But in case you are just a little bit confused about what's going on right now, I don't want you to be confused because I'm gonna go ahead and explain a lot of things a little bit later on. So don't be confused. If you know me by now, I'm not doing it to sell a course. I don't do that. Make money online with affiliate marketing funnel flow. So affiliate marketing network. Here's the mistake that most affiliate marketers do. After they pick the product in the affiliate marketing network, they go to the resource page. And inside the resource page, there are a place where you can go and get emails. And what happens, a lot of people, they get the emails and they just copy and paste. You're talking about hundreds of affiliate marketers doing the same thing. And some of these affiliate marketers, unfortunately, they are spammers. So what does the email autoresponders company do? They take everything that looks like that email that spam. So you want to make things different, and I covered it in a different video. Make sure to go there and learn how to change that email sequence with just a click of a button. You can do it and it will be very unique. Okay, I want to show you an example of how this works. What most people do, they go to Digistore, they put, for example, the name of the product, they click on the support, affiliate support page, then they go down to find the swipe files or the email files. They click on it and you can see that there are some emails out here, including some instructions, and then they go down to find the first email, second email, and so forth. They highlight the first email, for example, second email, then they take it and they put it in their email sequence that goes to the prospect. So many affiliates do the same thing. And that's the problem, because some of them do spam, and when they spam, it becomes an issue. So you have to rewrite these emails. You cannot have the same exact emails that 5,000 other affiliate marketers have, and some of them are spamming, because yours will be considered a spam, even though you are not spamming. Let's just take a little break here in case you are confused and maybe frustrated a little bit. I don't want you to do that, because I'm going to give you a bonus. Like I mentioned, I'm going to give you a bonus, which is an entire affiliate marketing business for Digistore completely for free. Now, this is also going to include a lot of things that I'm going to explain to you here. But in order for you to get that funnel, it's a complete funnel, including a lot of things that I'm just going to talk about here. So let's go ahead and do that right now. The Digistore 24, it's a Pinterest automated funnel flow. Here's what I did. I picked a product on Digistore 24. I created a pin from Pinterest. I went to bridge page. Then I created an opt-in page. And after that, it would send people to the affiliate sales page. You'll be able to put in any links that you want to, for example, for the affiliate sales page. However, all this is free. This funnel is free. It's a hack that I did that I'm going to pass into you. Now, all I expect from you is just to subscribe and make sure to vote. When you vote, that means you are hitting that like button. And when you do that, that tells me that you want more of the same thing. So I can do things like that, which is done for you funnel. So you don't have to go through the whole confusion. You can just go ahead and just download it with one click of a button. Digistore 24 affiliate marketing funnel. What does it include? This is a perfect for Digistore 24 affiliate marketing for beginners, because you don't have to go through hell to get something going. You can get it going within just a click of a button, and you could be making affiliate marketing commissions today. It's a pre-built Digistore affiliate marketing automated funnel. It has a bridge page, landing page, automated email sequence, free email autoresponder already pre-written. You can import it in just one click. I'm going to show you how to do that, but I want you to stay with me because what I'm about to tell you is going to make your life much easier instead of just jumping in on the bandwagon and trying to get that funnel quickly. In order for you to receive that bonus, which is an entire affiliate marketing funnel for Digistore 24 completely free, a URL will appear in this video somewhere. And all you have to do is stop this video, open your browser, type in that URL, then you will have access to everything, including a video that is going to explain more about it, and you're going to have access to the funnel and you can download it. The reason for that is to minimize your competition, and later on in this video, you'll know exactly what kind of a competition I'm talking about. Step number 3, how to make money online promoting affiliate links for any social media platform. How to promote affiliate links the safe way. I'm going to show you how the top affiliates actually do it. Do what the top affiliate marketers do. Number 2, all social media platforms do not like affiliate marketing. You really have to understand that. Number 3, almost all social media platforms like links to be sent to a website. How to do that? I'm going to put in the description below. I was able to get 65% off on this. You'll be able to put as many affiliate products as you want. I showed you 2 ways. A free way already through medium.com if you want to do it that way, but this is the best way of doing it because this is the top affiliate marketers do. I'm going to put link in the description below so you'll be able to have access. Now this is 65% off. Is this 65%? For how long? I'm not really sure for how long, but it's just for a few days. And I'm going to explain it. Don't worry about anything else at this point. The basic is basically $295 a month. What does it include? One website, 50 gigs, custom themes that which you can pick, 24-hour support, include a free domain for 1 year. This is not a mandatory. Okay, start with the basic, that's fine, but people with just a few dollars more, they can just do a whole lot more than just this. You'll be able to do unlimited websites. You'll have unlimited emails. A lot of people don't know that. They have no clue. You can have as many emails as you want. Now, I just want to let you know, what does that mean? Like I said before, it's going to give you a website. Now you have everything free. You have the domain, they're going to pay for it. Now all you're paying basically is for the hosting. You can get started, and there's, I think, 1 month free. So take advantage of it. Why not? Why you want to suffer and make it really hard on yourself? Take advantage of it. I just want to let you know what is the basic URL structure. For example, don't worry about that because right now everything is HTTPS. Here's what's, for example, that could be your name or your domain name. Right here, you can create a page. In other words, if you have an affiliate marketing, instead of just sending them to the affiliate marketer, which is the vendor, which a lot of platforms don't like that, you send them to your own website. They don't mind that. We do it all the time, and we do it to other customers as well, because you are sending them to your domain. You're not sending them to somebody else that they know it's an affiliate marketing. Now, all you gotta do, if you are familiar with that, all you gotta do is just click a page and then you put the HTML information inside here, and then you'll have the whole thing. Make sure you change your link to put it your own affiliate link, for example. Now, this is the top people. This is what they do because they're not gonna get flagged from their email autoresponder. For example, when the email is sent, you gotta understand, you have a body of email, you have to put links. You don't want them just to read it. You wanna give them the ability to click on an affiliate, on a link that will send them to your domain. Because if you send them through the email autoresponder, you send them to an affiliate vendor sales page, they're gonna know that. They're gonna shut down your account. Don't do that. If you want to do it, you do it the other way, which is the blog that I showed you on Medium. You can do that. All right, now let me talk a little bit about email autoresponder. For example, it's free. It's not for like, for example, for 14 days, then you have to pay. The one I'm giving you, it's $0 for 1,000 subscribers. This is the limit. If you have over 1,000 subscribers, they will charge you for that. Now, what would you will have? You will have unlimited landing pages and forms, unlimited traffic, customizable domain. You can even put your own domain in there, but I don't recommend you doing that. You can if you want to, if you just want to have a domain name, but I would rather you have your own home online, because people are going to look you up. You got to have a home page for yourself, but you don't have to do it right away. As long as you have a domain, it'll be okay. Email broadcasting, I talked about this, 1,000 subscribers. You also have a subscriber tagging. You can sell digital products and free build and launch courses. I'm going to go ahead and give you the link. I'm going to give you the link of how to get all this. That link is going to take you to a video. That video have more instruction of what to do and what not to do, and also has a link inside of it where you can click on it and download everything with one click. But the reason I'm doing this is in case you don't know, I want to minimize your competition, because there's a lot of bots out there. What they do is they go and they go to YouTube description pages and they click on all the links. And if there is a funnel or something of value, they take it, they sell it, or they use it, or they give it to their own people. So that will really increase your competition big time. And if you take a look, right now, we have it a lot more than 3,600. It's, how much is it right now? Over 7, no, more than, how much? About 8,000. So what I'm talking about is that these are clicks. These are FC fake clicks or robot clicks. Believe me, that's why I'm doing that, because I want you to get that link with less competition. If I put it for the world to see, it's going to be very difficult for you to make money with that funnel. You're going to get free traffic from social media, so forth. That's fine, even from medium.com, which is the blog site that I talked about. Let's say you are getting some from Pinterest. Anytime you are doing a free traffic, it's going to be very slow. So you have to understand that it's not something I created. This is the way it is. This is the law of free traffic, basically. The best way to do it is with 24-hour targeted traffic, because you are ordering a targeted leads. 24 targeted traffic. I do have some people that are making some sales with this strategy, and these are brand new people. Look carefully inside this video, because the link that I'm going to put inside this video is going to take you to another video that has explanation and has downloadable clickable link where you can just click on it and it'll download it for you. But in this one right here, when you see that link, stop the video, type in the URL in your browser, then you will get to that video. If you are very interested in this, you'll do that. If you're not interested, you're not gonna watch this very carefully. You're gonna watch it while you are watching Netflix. So if you are watching Netflix, don't bother watching this, because this is for the serious people, and we don't want people who are not serious to compete with people who are really serious about their success. If you want to learn everything about affiliate marketing and how to make money while you're starting affiliate marketing, click up here. If you want to learn everything about ClickBank, how to start with ClickBank, click here. And as usual, I will see you at the top.